Good afternoon. This is Julie. It is Monday, February 5th, 2018, and we had quite the market sell-off this afternoon. The Dow had its largest one-day drop in history, all-time ever, and the E-mini got up to 5%. Again, we have circuit breakers and things like that will start kicking in. So make sure you know your lock limit. um, from the CME group, and you can get that at the price guide. Will tell you your limit up, and it's 7% during the trading session, 5% overnight, 5 p.m. to 8:30 a.m. So this might go into lock limit during the Asia session, and we came pretty close to it going lock limit during the US session. So just keep your eye on that. And again, that's on the price limit guide on the CME group for your indexes. But this huge just blew through my levels. I kept drawing levels and it would blow through them. It got to my gaps, and we'll go back and look at the chart, responded to my gap areas. But the main thing I want to show you is the confluence with these indicators. This was just totally red, all of them, starting at about 240. So just they stayed red this entire way. There wasn't even any second guessing. So you might have had some smaller pullbacks, but once we got through the lunch hour pullback, it stayed red the entire rest of the afternoon. And let's take a look at the session real quick. You have to have a larger bar size. So don't even think about using a 1.7 or a 1.5 or 2.4, something like that. You have to have a big bar size. So 816 for high volatility seems to be a good number. And you can tell it's good because you can see right here for yourself how it lays out on the screen. So there you go. This was the trade of the day right here at 243 Central. And then it just took off to the downside. So you can verify. What I recommend on a day like today is to trade super trend short or inflection short. That's what I like, is the inflection short, or just your reversal short. Once you know your direction, I already had the direction pointed out for me. It was all red. So reversal short, and then just use your reversals long for your exit, because you don't know if it's going to take off and be a big exit. So to test this in the back test, to back test a strategy to see how the inflection short would work with the reversals long, you just when you load the strategy, you select back test mode true, and that's enabled through start auto enabled on is true. And so you get those true trues, and then you can just right click your chart and you can get your back test to see if that is a good bar combination and bar size. So in this type of market condition, profit factor of 3, which is excellent. That's what you want. And this is one contract. Over 50% profitable. So, I mean, that's a very, very nice profit factor and percent profitable. So you know that that's something that would work for you and would be something that you would consider trading when you get into a high volatility situation. So you write down in your journal, high volatility market, ES, and then write down your bar size and then the solvers you used in BloodHound, so that you can just go to it the next time, load it in. In fact, you may just want to click your order settings and then just save as, and then name it, high volatility strategy, so that you can open it and pull it up. But definitely a great day today for trading. If you had software, I don't think you could have done this manually. It was moving very, very fast. Let me tell you, very fast. And then it would stall out there for like a second or two, and then it would take off again. So very good. Hope y'all had enjoyed your screen time today. You have to go through a day like this, a session or two, to get your feet wet so that you're not like a deer in the headlight when it happens again, and that you can trust your software. In fact, go through your market replay and replay today, and see how the settings work for the templates. And I've got to tell you, I'm very, very excited about my um, momentum indicator keeping me out of the market like on a regular market condition. But I got to tell you, when it's a fast, I think the VIX, they said, got up to 40. I'll have to go look exactly where it got up to, but this was just entirely red. There was no changing. It was just red, 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 red. So you didn't even have to worry about that decision about short. Just choose which one you wanted: super trend, inflections, or high low. I mean, just anything with the word short in it would have been fine today, let me tell you. All right. So I hope y'all had a good trading session, and come and see us in the trade room. And my goodness gracious, I don't know what to expect tomorrow, but I'm not sure if I'll be sleeping tonight. We'll talk at you soon. Thank you so much.